In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Connect in DocuSign to send real-time event notifications using webhooks. Imagine being seamlessly informed every time an important change happens with your DocuSign envelopes and having those notifications automatically sent to your desired external systems. That's precisely what we'll be diving into today, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to make it all work. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your DocuSign admin account in Chrome. This is your starting point for accessing the settings we'll be working with. Once logged in, you'll want to look for the Settings option in the menu. This is like your command center for configuring various aspects of DocuSign. Navigate through the menu until you find Connect. The Connect feature is a powerful tool that allows you to set up real-time alerts, which will be delivered to specified webhooks, a kind of URL that can listen for certain events and trigger actions in your other systems. Click into Connect and you'll enter the configuration area where all the magic happens. The next step is crucial. You need to configure Connect to send real-time event notifications to your external systems. This is done through webhook URLs, addresses that serve as endpoints for receiving notifications from DocuSign. Take a moment to gather the URLs of the systems or applications you want to receive notifications in. The neat thing about webhooks is that they can really streamline your workflow, keeping involved parties or systems updated automatically without manual intervention. With your URLs ready, it's now time to choose which events you want to track. Consider what updates are most important for your process. You can choose from a variety of envelope statuses, such as when it's sent, viewed, signed, or completed. This selection ensures that your integrations only receive notifications that are relevant to your operations, preventing unnecessary noise and improving efficiency. Once you've made your selections, it's crucial to test this webhook integration. This testing phase is about ensuring everything is set up correctly and that the notifications are being delivered as expected. Imagine this as a dress rehearsal where you verify the notifications are accurate and timely, iron out any issues, and make sure that your systems are communicating flawlessly. Monitoring event delivery is the final task. Keep an eye on the notifications being sent and how they're processed on the receiving end. Regular monitoring can help you troubleshoot any discrepancies early on and adjust configurations if necessary. You'll want to make sure that your events are tracked and logged properly, making it easy to review and analyze if any follow-up is needed. By following these steps, you'll become adept at leveraging DocuSign's Connect to create a more connected, efficient, and automated notification system. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful.